Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Oreo ice cream. First, gather your ingredients. 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, and about 15 Oreo cookies. Make sure your cream and condensed milk are very cold. You will also need a large bowl and an electric mixer to whip the cream. Now, let's get started with the heavy cream. Pour 2 cups of very cold heavy cream into your large mixing bowl. Using an electric mixer, beat the cream on high speed until it forms stiff peaks. This means the cream will hold its shape when you lift the beaters. This step typically takes around 3 to 5 minutes. Next, carefully fold the entire 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk into your whipped cream. Be gentle to maintain the airiness. Then, take about 15 Oreo cookies and crush them into small, bite-sized pieces. You can use a food processor or a Ziploc bag and a rolling pin. Gently fold these crushed Oreos into the mixture. Finally, transfer your delicious Oreo ice cream mixture into a freezer-safe container. Smooth the top with a spatula. Cover the container tightly and place it in the freezer for at least 6 hours or until it's completely firm. Once frozen, scoop and serve your homemade, no-churn Oreo ice cream. It's a perfect treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.